At nagbabalik na naman ang mga idik, baka min-min yan. So, ayun po, no? What's up sa inyo? Ako nga pala si Mendoza Rosales at ito ang aking mga member. At kami ang 5G. At today ay may gagawin din naman tayong kakaiba. Ito ay ang timeline patungkol sa mathematics na related sa science and technology. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan na natin. Mesopotamian tablets 2700 BCE. This is the oldest known clay tablet with mathematician computation. It was created around 700 BCE in Sumer. It shows a multiplication table in cuneiform. Right Papyrus 1550 BCE. The Right Papyrus is one of the most famous mathematical documents from ancient Egypt. It was written around 1550 BCE. The papyrus is around 2 meters long and contains 84 problems about multiplication, division, fraction, and geometry. It was probably used as a kind of textbook by other scribes. The use of Miletus, deductive geometry 585 BCE. The use of Miletus seems to be the first known Greek mathematician and philosopher. He is also credited by some historians with being the father of deductive geometry. This is the usually credited with the 5 theorems of elementary geometry. A circle is bisected by any diameter. The mixed angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. The angles between two intersecting straight lines are equal. Two triangles are congruent if they have two angles and one side equal.
Eudoxus of Cnidus. Isa siya sa mga naging contributor sa pagdevelop ng observational astronomy sa Greek world. When it comes to mathematics naman, nakilala siya dahil dun sa work niya na method of exhaustion, na isa sa mga naging pundasyon para ma-develop yung integral calculus na meron tayo ngayon. Apollonius. He was a Greek mathematician na kilala sa tawag na the Great Geometer. Nakilala siya dahil dun sa Book of Conics niya. Dito naman sa Book of Conics, introduce niya yung mga terms na parabola, ellipse, at hyperbola na under ng conic sections. At yung conic sections nga pala, isa siya sa mga important topics in geometry. Claudius Ptolemy wrote about a dozen scientific treatises. Isa na dito yung Almagest, an astronomy textbook and star catalog. Pinapaliwanag dito sa Almagest kung paano natin malalaman yung location of any heavenly bodies sa kahit anong oras or kahit saan dito sa Earth sa pamamagitan ng mathematical methods of planet movements ni Ptolemy. 9 chapters on the mathematical art. 263 CE. It is a practical handbook of mathematics consisting of 246 problems intended to provide methods to solve everyday problems of engineering, surveying, trade, and taxation. Sinasabi ng isa sa mga mathematician na closely associated sa 9 chapters ay si Liu Hui, who wrote a commentary on the book on 263 CE, included the methods and rules from the originals, tulad ng Pythagorean theorem, theorem in solid geometry, an improvement on Archimedes' approximation of pi, and many more.
Zhu Chongji's computation of pi, 462 CE. Zhu Chongji was a Chinese astronomer, mathematician, writer, politician, and inventor. He calculated pi accurately to 7 decimal places. Zhu also discovered the formula 4/3 pi r cube for the volume of a sphere. Infinity, 1134 CE. Bhaskaracharya, an Indian mathematician and astronomer who introduces the mathematical concept of infinity with the idea: if any finite number is divided by 0, the result is infinity. Fibonacci's Liber Abaci, 1202 CE. Leonardo Pisano, commonly known as Fibonacci, was an Italian mathematician. He is best known for the number sequence named after him. Fibonacci is also responsible for popularizing the Arabic numerals in Europe, which was still using Roman numerals in the 12th century CE. He explained the decimal system in a book called Liber Abaci, a practical textbook for merchants. In Liber Abaci, the famous rabbit problem is found, which lead to the sequence now referred to as the Fibonacci sequence. Jade Mirror of the Four Unknowns, 1303 CE. Zhu Shiji was one of the greatest Chinese mathematicians. In his book Jade Mirror of the Four Unknowns, he showed how to solve 288 different problems using systems of polynomial equations and four variables, called heaven, earth, man, and matter. Zhu made extensive use of Pascal's triangle. He also invented rules for solving systems of linear equations, predating our modern matrix methods by many centuries.
Next up is the imaginary numbers and Girolamo Cardano noong 1543. Si Girolamo Cardano ay isa sa pinakakilalang mathematicians at scientists noong 1500s. Malaki ang naiambag ng kanyang pag-aaral sa mga hypocycloids na kalaunan ay nakatulong sa paggawa ng pinakaunang printing press. Marami rin siyang naimbentong mga mechanical devices gaya ng combination locks, gyroscopes, and drive shafts. Noong 1637, Descartes' Cartesian geometry. Si René Descartes ay isang kilalang French mathematician and philosopher na kabilang sa scientific revolution. Sa kanya rin galing ang pinakaunang konsepto ng paggamit ng algebra sa geometric objects. Doon na nagsimula ang coordinate system na madalas gamitin bilang pagpapakita ng linya or graph ng mga equations na may dalawang variables. Ilang taon makalipas, Leibniz's first paper on the calculus noong 1684. Si Gottfried Leibniz ay isang German mathematician na nag-develop ng notation para sa differential and integral calculus. Siya rin ang nakadiscover ng binary numeral system na madalas ginagamit sa mga computers. 1861 Lagrange Theorem. Si Joseph Louis Lagrange ay isang Italian-born French mathematician na kilala sa iba't ibang larangan ng analysis, number theory at analytical and celestial mechanics. Sa kanya rin nagsimula ang Lagrange Theorem sa abstract algebra.
Apollo Moon Landing, 1969 CE. Katherine Johnson was an African-American mathematician. While working at NASA, Johnson calculated the orbits taken by American astronauts. Her extraordinary ability to calculate orbital trajectories, launch windows, and emergency return path was widely known. In 2015, Johnson received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Mandelbrot's The Fractal Geometry of Nature, 1982 CE. Benoit Mandelbrot publishes The Fractal Geometry of Nature, which describes the theory of fractals. This study was largely responsible for the present interest in fractal geometry. Marina Biasovska solves the sphere packing problem in Dimension 8, 2016 CE. Marina Biasovska is a Ukrainian mathematician. Biasovska solved the sphere packing problem in 8 and 24 dimensions. Hey, you reached the end of this video. I hope you learned something new from us, and I hope you're doing well and you're always good. God bless and thank you for watching. Bye bye.